Have you seen ads claiming Glycopezil Drops can reverse diabetes with a secret ritual, even showing Dr. Phil and other celebrities? Today we're exposing whether it's legit or a scam designed to trick you. So Glycopezil Drops is marketed online as a natural supplement that supposedly helps balance blood sugar and reverse type 2 diabetes without medication or lifestyle changes. The long ads promise a hidden ritual and even use clips that look like news and endorsements from big names, but none of that is real. On the surface, it looks like a simple drop supplement, with ingredients often linked to general metabolic support in traditional supplements. Things like cinnamon extract and berberine. That kind of ingredient list can sound familiar to anyone who's looking at blood sugar support products before. Here's where the truth matters. Ads use fake celebrity endorsements and AI deepfake video clips of people like Dr. Phil, Dr. Ross, and others. They've never endorsed this product. The so-called secret diabetes reverse ritual never appears in the long sales videos. It's just bait and switch tactic. There are no independent verifiable reviews on Amazon, Trustpilot, Reddit, or medical forums. The massive 9.3 out of 10 rating on their sales page appears fabricated. The brand doesn't have transparent company info or clinical proof that it affects blood sugar or diabetes in humans. Scam trackers flag websites selling it as low trust and unsafe. So is Glycopezil legit or a scam? This is a high-risk scam-style product. It uses fake endorsements, misleading health reversal scams, and deceptive video tactics rather than real science or verified evidence. There's no credible proof it can treat or reverse diabetes, and you should be very cautious before spending money or sharing health info. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.